Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HCJ.tax. We're the team that seeks to demystify this sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and the privilege of having a chat with Lovie. Lovie, can you please introduce yourself to those that don't already know you?
Thanks, Darren. My name is Lovie. I'm the managing director of Animo Associates Mauritius Limited. Animo Associates Mauritius is a licensed management company. We are regulated by the FSC. We are involved into the process of doing all the company formations. So any type of company, be it domestic, GBC, authorized companies, special licenses. We also, any company that needs a license in Mauritius would need a management company like Animo. On top of it, we also assist our clients with opening of bank accounts, day-to-day administration, bookkeeping, compliance, taxation. And we also assist our clients who want to come and live and work in Mauritius. There's a lot of them who also purchases property here. Animo is not only present in Mauritius. We are headquartered in the UK as a group across the UK. So London, Mayfair, Essex, Manchester, Birmingham. We're also present in Ireland, Cyprus, Dubai, but we work with the rest of the world. That's a little bit of Animo probably for you. And I'll be very happy to assist you if I can do further.
Fantastic.
Could you talk us through the personal income tax structure?
Absolutely. I'm very glad to say that among all the countries that we work with, Mauritius has one of the most hybrid type of tax system. And it's something that works really well. And this is perhaps one of the reasons why we have been able to attract a lot of high net worth, ultra high net worth people to Mauritius. A tax rate in Mauritius is, we have a corporate tax rate of 15%. That is mainly for companies. But any company that has a turnover of more than 50 million rupees, you get an extra of 2% that is added. And those 2% is mainly to cater for climate change. So you can tell that Mauritius is becoming very concerned about the climate change that is happening around us. This is why they want to tax companies that are making 50 million rupees plus. In terms of personal tax, it's very different. We have a progressive tax rate to a maximum of 20%. So what happens is that the first 390,000 rupees is tax exempt, and then the remaining balance is taxed at 2%, 3%, 5%, all the way till 20%. But you shouldn't be paying more than 20%. And it's a very good thing for a lot of guys here. But I have to draw your attention here, Darren. Having a residency in Mauritius doesn't mean that you're a tax resident. I mean, for you to be tax resident in Mauritius, you need to spend a minimum of 183 days in a fiscal year. And you show that Mauritius is your new place of domicile. Once you can prove that, the good thing is you are self-assessed in Mauritius. So it is up to you to demonstrate that you have met the condition. But if the MRA and the Mauritius Revenue Authority we want to do an assessment on you, you should be able to prove that you have met the condition. And why not? 20% tax in Mauritius, who would not love to be here?
And just to be clear, it's a territorial tax regime, right?
In Mauritius, we are taxed on our worldwide income. But the thing is, you only tax when the money is paid into your bank account.
So it's when it's remitted into Mauritius?
On remittance, yeah. Okay. So this is the good thing. And I'd like to draw the attention here that we don't have capital gain tax in Mauritius. There is no withholding tax on dividend paid to shareholders. There is a free repatriation of profit to shareholders. And on top of it, Mauritius has a lot of other tax incentive, double taxation treaties. We also have a lot of bilateral trade agreements like AGOA, SADC, COMESA, Africa Free Trade, China Free Trade, UK Free Trade, you name it. We are blessed to be an ex-British colony. We are blessed to be an ex-French colony. And we have a mixture of everything. And of course, we have India, who has a very good relationship with Mauritius. So you can imagine in terms of the trade business on the e-commerce works very well for us.
Okay. Are there any inheritance taxes, estate taxes, gift taxes?
There is no inheritance tax in Mauritius. There is a stamp duty when you purchase a property, but otherwise there is no inheritance tax. There is no withholding tax that I mentioned to you in Mauritius. So you're free to do your business as long as you're not doing money laundering, you're not doing terrorist activity. It's your money. You deal with, do what you want, but you have to remain within the limits specified into your business plan.
Okay, understood. Thank you very much for that.